Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RC farm tractor trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect RC farm tractor toy for yourself, your kids, or as a gift, then you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the PeakPrav Remote Control Tractor Toy with RC Trailer. This product stands out with its impressive 1/16 scale size, measuring a total of 23.6 inches. The design is incredibly detailed, mimicking real-life farm vehicles, and the trailer can even be raised and lowered via the remote control. It also includes farm-inspired accessories like a cow and a sheep, making it a great option for imaginative play. The vibrant colors and overall aesthetic make it a visually appealing addition to any kid's toy collection. The build quality of this tractor is solid, crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials that ensure durability and safety. With its 8-channel remote control functionality and a 2.4 GHz transmitter, the performance is smooth and responsive, offering minimal interference. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, handling basic terrains like grass and carpet with ease. However, the weight of the product at 4.11 pounds might make it slightly heavy for very young kids to handle independently. While this RC farm tractor is a bit pricey for its feature set, it's a fantastic option for kids aged 3 and 8 who love farm vehicles. The PeakPrav Remote Control Tractor offers a delightful mix of fun and educational play, helping kids learn about farming while developing their fine motor skills. The main downside is that it lacks some advanced features like sound effects or a more robust battery life. That said, it's still a good entry-level choice for young farm enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4 is the iJiggle Remote Control Tractor Toy, which brings a fresh twist to the traditional farm tractor with its monster truck-inspired design. The standout feature here is its 4 wide luminous rubber tires that glow while the tractor is in motion, creating a visually captivating experience for kids. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides 6-directional movement, 360-degree rotation, and a one-button demo function, making it easy for children to operate and enjoy. The tractor is made from sturdy ABS material and features environmentally friendly paint, ensuring it can withstand rough play. It performs well on smooth indoor surfaces and light outdoor terrains like grass, but it might struggle on more rugged landscapes. The battery life is decent, thanks to the 500 mAh rechargeable battery, which provides ample playtime for kids to explore all the features. The glowing tires and vibrant design make this toy highly engaging, especially during evening play sessions. The iJiggle RC Tractor is an excellent choice for younger kids aged 3 and up, particularly those who love flashy designs and monster trucks. However, it lacks some of the more realistic farm elements found in other RC tractors, which might not appeal to traditional farming enthusiasts. Overall, this tractor is a fun, durable, and unique option that stands out for its vibrant design and ease of use. At number 3, we have the Knack Toys RC Truck Farm Tractor, which is a standout for its high level of realism. This tractor features a detailed design, including solid tire fenders, tail lamps, rear-view mirrors, and a fully equipped inner driving cab. The dual rotary swath windrower mechanism adds to the authenticity, rotating as the tractor moves. This makes it a fantastic option for kids who want a more realistic farming experience. The Knack Toys tractor offers a fully functional 6-channel remote control that allows forward, backward, left, and right movement, accompanied by realistic tractor sounds and front lights. The 2.4 GHz remote frequency ensures interference-free play, and the large buttons make it easy for younger children to operate. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, kids can enjoy up to 100 minutes of playtime, which is a significant advantage for extended sessions. The tractor offers a fully functional 6-channel remote control that allows forward, backward, left, and right movement, accompanied by realistic tractor sounds and front lights. The dual rotary swath windrower mechanism adds to the authenticity, rotating as the tractor moves. This makes it a fantastic option for kids who want a more realistic farming experience. The Knack Toys tractor offers a fully functional 6-channel remote control. However, this tractor's slower speed and lightweight build might not appeal to those looking for a more rugged or fast-paced RC vehicle. It's best suited for younger kids aged 3 to 8 who value realism and enjoy simulating farm life. The Knack Toys RC Truck Farm Tractor strikes a great balance between educational value and entertainment, but its modest performance on rough terrains keeps it in the 3rd spot. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, we have the URT Remote Control Tractor Toy in a stunning pink design. This product is perfect for kids who want a farm toy with a touch of flair. It features a stylish pink alloy head, 8 rugged wheels, a front loader, and a detachable dump trailer. The working headlights and included farm accessories, such as hay bales, a cow, and a sheep, make this set both fun and engaging. The tractor is built to handle various terrains like carpet and grass, thanks to its oversized wheels and sturdy design. Its 2.4 GHz remote control allows for interference-free play, making it a great option for multiplayer use. The vibrant pink design is not only visually appealing, but also promotes creativity and imaginative play, especially for children who want a non-traditional color palette in their farm toys. While the URT Pink tractor is slightly heavier than some competitors, its robust build ensures longevity. The only downside is the limited customer reviews, which might make some buyers hesitant. That said, with its premium design and excellent functionality, this tractor is a fantastic pick for kids who want something a little different. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the UART's remote-controlled tractor toy with a truck and trailer front loader. This product offers the ultimate RC farming experience, combining a rugged metal tractor head with an 8-wheel design for superior stability and performance. The set includes realistic farm accessories like cows, sheep, and hay bales, which add an extra layer of fun and educational value. The tractor is equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control for smooth, interference-free operation, and it can handle various terrains such as carpets, sandbox, and light outdoor surfaces. The working headlights and detailed design make the play experience incredibly immersive. At 19 inches in length, this tractor is a great size for both indoor and outdoor use. What sets the UART's RC tractor apart is its exceptional balance between design, functionality, and durability. It's the perfect gift for young farming enthusiasts and offers a great way to foster creativity and storytelling. With over 1,600 customer reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this product is a fan favorite. The only drawback is that it requires one lithium-ion battery, which some users might find limiting. Nonetheless, this is the best RC farm tractor on the market right now, and it's well deserving of the top spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.